There is a famous saying, "It is expensive to be poor." Today, I'm explaining the theory of socioeconomic unfairness. I'll show you why spending more money up front on high-quality items is actually the secret to saving thousands in the long run. The boot theory. Imagine a poor person buys $50 boots that last only 6 months. A wealthy person buys $200 boots that last 5 years. After 5 years, the poor person has spent $500 on 10 pairs of boots, while the wealthy person still has their $200 pair. The cheap option ended up costing $300 more. Cost per use. This is how smart people shop. Don't look at the price tag, look at the cost per use. A $500 high-quality mattress that lasts 10 years costs you 13 cents a night. A cheap $200 mattress that ruins your back and needs replacing in 2 years is much more expensive for your health and wallet. Maintenance over replacement. Wealthy people take care of what they own. Changing your car's oil for $50 prevents a $5,000 engine failure. Spending money on high-quality food and a gym membership prevents a $50,000 hospital bill later. Investing in prevention is always cheaper than paying for a cure. The time factor. Cheap products often require more time to fix, return, or replace. Your time is your most valuable asset. If you spend 5 hours trying to fix a cheap broken gadget, you've lost the money you could have earned working, or the peace you could have had resting. Buy it for life. Next time you shop, look for things with lifetime warranties. Buy items that are built to last, not items designed to be thrown away. Tomorrow, for day 15, we discuss the biggest financial mistake of your 20s.